Yeah, we had a little problem tonight. Louder? Alright, we had a little problem tonight that our bass player just quit on us 2 days ago. Yeah, it sucks. So we're still going to play regardless of the situation without a bass player. Sorry to inform you. So yeah, I'd like to start you guys off with a little story though. How many of you guys go to church? No, okay. Well, we all go to church, and we went to church this morning, and our pastor was telling us this really detailed story, and like, I don't know, a lot of times we kind of fall asleep at church, but, you know, well, he's going on with this story, this really long, boring story, and after the Mass, we went up to him and asked him what the story was about, because we have Sunday school too, so we have homework. And he looked at us straight in the eye, like a dead focus, like straight in the eye. And he took off his hood and he goes, "Now, young Skywalker, you shall die."